This is literally the most insane trading strategy ever. So here are two trades that I just took about not even 3 minutes ago. These three candlesticks are already mapped out according to the volume bars. If you want to know more about the strategy, check out my most recent videos. This has an 80 to 90% success rate. So here is the most insane part of this. We hit level 1, I took my trade, and as you can see from this wick, it came down to the second level, but I already knew that was going to happen. How? Well, I have these two levels already drawn out prior. So I knew that if I took a trade here and it didn't work, that price would then come down here and I could trade here. And that's exactly what happened in the last 10 seconds. So price came here, rejected just a little bit, and then shot down here. I took a trade here, and both of them won. So if you want to learn more about this 80 to 90% success rate strategy, then you're going to want to join my course. It's my VIP trading course where I teach you everything that I know about this, and you can start making money as soon as tonight. Today's the last day to get in at $99. After that, you're gonna have to pay $299. So $99 through me, $299 online, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. You need to hit me up. You can do that by commenting here on this video or by reaching out to me on Discord. Everything is down in the description.